Hello and welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Today I've got for you a little blue CJ Lancer hatchback. So 2011 model, 2 litre, 4B11 engine, automatic, tap in the front and tap in the rear. We'll just jump in and start it up. It's got the black leather heated electric seat in the front. Both seats are heated, I think. Yep. Airbags haven't gone off. It's only done 66,335 kilometres. We'll start her up for you. There we go. Where we go. So, black leather trim, tidy little car. Apart from the rearranged nose and rear end. Let's do the walk around. We've got 4 good doors, good mud guards, good bonnet, good set of wheels on. A couple of tiny marks on them. Very, very tiny. That mirror's got a crack on it. Good wheels and tyres. A couple of marks on that one there, but that's it. Headlights got a cracked lug, we'll repair them. There's our 2 litre engine, our 4B11. ABS brakes over there. Around here. Tidy little car. Compliance plate down here, little mark on the door there. Now we go in there. So, knocked in the rear there. Parcel shelf, space saver spare and toolkit. And we've got another compliance plate down here. Tenth 11th. Alright, so the vehicle's here for dismantling, so if you need any parts for your Lancer, or as I say, any other cars that matter, give us a call on 02 4646 1733, and the Parts Plus guys will be only too glad to help you out. So, we'll put this one to bed now. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.